I've got a big issue with my hose. I've got this big water leak in it, and not to worry though, I'm gonna use the Arvyne Silicone Tape. The brand did send me this product for free for my review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Show you exactly how I put it on here to completely stop this leak. And not only works on water, but it works on electrical, and you can even use it in your car if you're in a pinch to be able to seal up a hose, as this has a high heat rating as well. So let's get to fixing this and get our hose back in commission. The tape's super easy to use, and if you have any doubt on how to use it, there's some detailed instructions in here on the bottom of it. So essentially, you're gonna find the end of it, and it's covered with the plastic coating, and that you'll need to peel that plastic coating back. And just to show you how amazing this tape is, I'm going to let the water continue to leak out while I put on the tape. So if you've got a situation where you can't turn the water off and you need to get it sealed up, so I'm just going to peel back the tape. And you will need scissors or knife to be able to cut the tape to length. So let's just I'll just cut off a piece here. And the secret to this tape is it adheres to itself. So it's not going to leave any nasty residue behind like other tapes may. So let's find the leak here. Pretty obvious. And I'm going to just begin covering it. So you want to make sure to stretch it so it binds to itself. And you can see this is completely soaked, but it's totally sealing off the water. So I'm just going to wrap it around a few more times for good measure, and pulling it as I go around, stretching it. And this stuff is amazing. You can see, just got a few more times. I probably didn't need this much. Stretch it out, put it on itself, and after a couple of minutes, it bonds a little bit more. But look at that. Now, of course, this isn't a permanent solution. Eventually, we'd want to get a different hose, but for a while, this is going to hold and really allow you to do what you need to do. I also wanted to demonstrate how easy this is to remove and how it's not going to leave any residue. So let me remove this tape that I had put on the hose. And again, the longer it sits, the more it will adhere. So you may have to cut it off if it's been on there for a long time, but it's not going to leave behind any residue. It's already developed a pretty good bond. Okay, so there you go. Just the hose, no residue left over from the tape. So I have an area here where there's some wires that go through this conduit, and it's kind of rusted away, and so I want to cover that up temporarily until I can completely fix it. And so you can use this silicone tape for that. And so super easy, just like with the water, you want to peel it back, and we'll estimate the length that you'll need. And then just begin wrapping it. And I don't have a lot of room behind, so this isn't necessarily perfect, but it will hold until I can completely repair this. So notice I am stretching it so that it can bond to itself. Make sure it's completely on, and also want to make sure that the power is off to this so that you can do this. So you can see it adheres pretty well to that area that had rusted away, and so that's going to hold until I can properly replace this. So love the fact that this tape has multiple purposes for leaks, for electrical. Okay, I just found out that I've got these exposed, the cover of these wires came off, so I want to use the Arvyne silicone tape on this to fix that up. So let's do that real quick, and I'm sure in your house, workshop, or office, you can find many, many uses for this. It's just so nice to have on hand. And that's pretty good for now. You can see no more exposed wires, and this will last for a while. So another great use for the silicone tape. So garden hose and electrical uses for this. It doesn't stop there. Let's say, for example, just for demonstration purposes, that this hose had a cut in it or a hole or whatever, and we needed to quickly get it repaired so we could get it to the auto repair shop to get it properly replaced. Kind of estimate a length for this and cut with the scissors. Peel back the plastic, and you would probably want to make sure that the hose is wiped off, just so we can get a better seal on that, even though the tape does adhere to itself. So let me pull that back, and we'll start wrapping this around. And it may not be in a super convenient location, but you just try to do your best. I've got the tape wrapped around this little bend here, and so that's going to hopefully provide me enough time to get to the repair shop to get this hose replaced. Again, you don't want to be driving with this on your hose of your car for a long period of time, because it's just not a good idea. So again, if we take this tape off this hose, absolutely no residue on this hose. So there are multiple uses for the silicone tape, and it works extremely well. And I want to definitely have this on hand when I'm at home, and even when I travel, taking this with me just in case. So I highly recommend this product.